If you haven't subscribed to Smart Idea YouTube channel yet, please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. So hi guys, another video from Smart Idea YouTube channel. Smart Idea YouTube channel. So this is a newly invented smart YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure that you will subscribe now. So today we are going to talk about how to get free Instagram followers like this. So getting free Instagram followers is a very hard task, and you know that getting Instagram followers in illegal methods, you lose your account. So this is a very legal method, and you can get Instagram followers easily and free. You don't have to sign up for any website, you don't have to download any applications, and you will have Instagram followers like this within a minute. So all you have to do is watch this video till end, and this is 100% sure. And you only have to have a phone, and or else you don't have to have a good phone. You just have to have a good phone with the application only. So you just want to go to the Instagram application and follow my tutorial. So watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other suggestions, not about Instagram, about any other social media platform, comment below in the description box. So let's go straight in the video. So watch till the end, watch the full tutorial, so you'll get how to do this. So let's go straight into the video. So now you can see I'm in the Instagram application. So this is my testing account. As you can see, I'm following 47 people and I have 22 followers in my account. So all you want to do is go to the search tab and search the username as the Vijaya. The Vijaya is the account that we use for this process. So you can see it have 166k followers and it's following 144 followers. All you have to do is follow those verified accounts, all the 144 verified accounts. So you'll think that I'm going to do a process that they will follow back us. Actually, that's not the thing happening in here. If you follow those following accounts, you'll get followers, more than 144 followers. Trust me, more than 144 followers. So you just have to keep following these verified accounts. So keep following, and after following half of these accounts, you can refresh your profile to see is you getting any followers. So actually I want to say that during this process and during the same time, you will not get followers. After 10 seconds, maybe more than 10 seconds, it will be maybe an hour. So however, the final decision is you will get followers from this method, 100% sure. So I keep following, and let's go straight into the profile and refresh it for getting more followers. So okay, I'll do more following. So okay, follow. So, and also I want to remind you again that please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's refresh this thing. Okay, keep refreshing. So as I told you, it doesn't give you followers at the same time, but you'll get your followers real quick, super quick. So refresh. Now you can see one follower is added to my account. So in the beginning I had only 22 followers. Now I get 23 followers. It means one new follower has been added to my account. So as you can see, before 30 seconds the follower had followed me. So keep refreshing. Okay, so all you want to do is sorry, I'm getting this wrong. All you want to do is follow those verified accounts in that the Vijaya account, so you'll get the followers. So guys, this is a tutorial. So I think you got a very good knowledge about Instagram and how to have really good followers. Hundreds and thousands of followers within a minute. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and wait till the next video comes. So goodbye.